We'll talk about the best DJI Mini 4 Pro accessories in this blog post, which will help you improve your drone skills. These add-ons will help you get the most out of your Mini 4 Pro and advance your aerial photography. On number 1, we have DJI ND Filters. ND filters are amazing when it comes to taking stunning pictures from above with your DJI Mini 4 Pro. Neutral density, or ND, filters are similar to sunglasses for the camera on your drone. Use ND 1664 256 filters to adjust to bright lighting conditions and stay prepared for the ideal shot at all times. Satisfies conditions required for long exposure or strong lighting photography, such as long exposure time-lapse. For the DJI Mini 4 Pro, a range of ND filter sets with different levels of light attenuation are available. This lets you select the filter that will work best for your footage's lighting and intended effect. On number 2, we have Sonova DJI RC2 Screen Protector. It's essential to shield the remote controller screen on your DJI Mini 4 Pro to maintain sharp visibility and avoid smudges or scratches. Glass that is 9H hard and tempered makes it. Your DJI RC screen is extremely protected from unintended scratches, abrasions, and bumps with the DJI Tiny 4 Pro accessories. The DJI Mini 4 Pro Screen Protector has an optical transmittance of 99.99%. Its surface has a very smooth covering that reduces sweat and grease-induced fingerprints to a minimum. The DJI Mini 4 Pro Mini accessories are excellent. This DJI RC Screen Protector, with its reinforced edges, protects your DJI RC screen's delicate corners and edges from chips and stops cracks from beginning and spreading. You can fly with confidence knowing that your remote controller screen is protected from potential harm thanks to the Sonova DJI RC2 Screen Protector. Thus, this tether is necessary for both beginner and expert drone pilots to safeguard your investment and improve flying experiences. On number 3, we have Yeti Propellers. Yeti propellers are a vital feature for any DJI Mini 4 Pro user hoping to increase performance and efficiency. These premium propellers are made especially for the Mini 4 Pro and come with a host of advantages that will improve your flying. Propeller tips are painted orange to differentiate among different types of blades. They are not composed of soft gel material. However, these blades have undergone numerous flying tests, and the results are very similar to the original, steady, and long-lasting flight effect. The original paddle may make more noise because its tip is composed of squishy gel substance. We have a blade with a bit quieter flight effect. It is undeniable that the original blade will protect individuals better because of its soft point, which will also limit damage. The Yeti propellers will improve your drone's performance and make every flight easier, whether you're flying for fun or to get amazing aerial photos. On number 4, we have Skyre Case. The best case for anyone looking for protection for their DJI Mini 4 Pro while in transit is the Skyre Case. The case, which was made specifically for your drone, provides a safe and practical way to carry and store your Mini 4 Pro along with its connections and get batteries. This storage bag was created especially to hold the DJI Mini 4 Pro drone, together with its attachments and the DJI RC2 remote controller. Constructed from a special leather shell material and expertly molded, it offers superior protection against scratches and damage to the DJI Mini 4 Pro drone and its accessories while in transit. Each area is designed to accommodate DJI Mini 4 Pro accessories. It has storage for cables, spare control sticks, RC2 smart controller, intelligent flight battery, small 4 Pro drone, and other accessories. This case makes sure your DJI Mini 4 Pro is safe and ready to fly when you get to your destination, whether you're driving, flying, or simply hiking. So that's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.